How to make no one can see your future posts on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make no one can see your future posts on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and then go down, click posts and click who can see your future posts, and then click see more and click only me, and now as you see no one can see your future posts. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.